Hey y'all, here's how to make these fluffy trees. So I first start off with a piece of cardboard that I cut down to a triangle using my box cutter. For my stand, I'm using 2 wood slices that I glued together using hot glue. This is optional, of course, I just really like the look of it. And I'm taking a wooden dowel and just sticking it into the cardboard, and that's going to be our stand for our actual tree. I'm drilling a hole for my wooden dowel to go down into, but you can just use some twine to glue it on top of it if you need to. So next you'll just take a piece of cardboard and you're going to wrap your twine around that piece of cardboard several times. Now as far as the length of it, it really just depends on how long you want like the fluffy part of your tree to be. Then you're going to take another piece of twine and just tie all those strands together. I did a double knot so that it wouldn't come undone. And then just slide those strands off of your piece of cardboard, and then you can trim up the twine on top and then cut the bottom part so that they're a bunch of individual strands. And then you're just going to take a regular comb and just brush out your pieces of twine until they come unraveled, and then you can brush all of it together. Now I will say it's easier to use a brush like this. It's not nearly as tedious and doesn't take nearly as long as using a comb. So once you've made as many layers as you want on your tree, you'll just attach those to your cardboard by just gluing them at the base where you have tied your twine to. Now you'll just need some really sharp scissors so that you can trim it up, and just trim it however you want to, however you think looks best. You can trim some of the places shorter and some of them longer. This part is just all in your preference on how you want it to look. So now I'm going to add it to my stand. I did a little dab of glue into the drill hole, and I'm just going to stick my wooden dowel down into that just to give it that extra security. Now you can add whatever decoration you want to the top of your tree. I really like the look of this rustic star. So this is how it turned out overall. This is only the second one I've made, y'all, so it's still not perfect, but I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching.